Have you ever wondered what makes Coca-Cola taste so irresistible? That secret formula, those iconic bubbles, and the perfect fizz in every bottle, it's not just magic, it's science, precision, and a little bit of history rolled into every sip. Today we're diving deep into how Coca-Cola is made inside the factory, from the secret syrup to the sparkling cans that end up in your hands. Stick around because you're about to see how one of the most famous beverages in the world comes to life, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss a behind-the-scenes adventure. The secret syrup. The magic of Coca-Cola starts with its secret syrup, and yes, the mystery around it is real. Only a few people in the world know the exact recipe, which is kept locked in a high-security vault. This syrup is what gives Coke its iconic, irresistible flavor that has kept people hooked for over a century. Once the syrup is ready, it's mixed with carbonated water, the second essential ingredient. This combination creates the fizzy, sweet taste that's recognized worldwide. Even a slight change in this syrup can alter the flavor, which is why Coca-Cola goes to such lengths to maintain perfection. Generations have grown up enjoying this classic taste, and no wonder it's one of the most popular beverages globally, consumed in over 200 countries every day. Mixing and preparation. After the syrup and carbonated water are ready, they move through specialized chambers and pipes for blending. This isn't just a simple pour, it's a carefully controlled process to ensure every bottle has the exact same flavor and fizz. Robots and advanced machines line up the bottles perfectly, ready for the next step. Watching the system work is mesmerizing. Bottles glide smoothly, filled with precision, almost like a perfectly choreographed dance. From remedy to global icon. Coca-Cola wasn't always just a refreshing drink. Originally, it was marketed as a remedy for headaches and fatigue, promoted as a brain tonic. While those claims are long gone, the drink's ability to energize and refresh hasn't changed. In its very first year, Coca-Cola sold just 9 glasses a day, but now it's mind-blowing. The company sells over 200,000 bottles every single minute worldwide. That growth from a tiny soda fountain to a global powerhouse is truly remarkable. Filling the bottles. Next comes the filling stage, where bottles are grabbed by automated nozzles and filled with precision. This step is super fast and accurate, ensuring every bottle contains the perfect amount of soda. Once filled, the bottles move to the capping machines, which seal in the flavor and fizz. The machines are so precise that spills or inconsistencies are almost impossible. Some factories can fill up to 60,000 bottles per hour, demonstrating the incredible scale of production. Cleanliness, speed, and attention to detail are what make every bottle of Coca-Cola feel fresh and satisfying the moment you pick it up. Packaging and protection. After capping, bottles are stacked and wrapped in cardboard boxes, then covered with plastic sheets. This step keeps them safe during transport and ensures your Coke arrives in perfect condition, no matter where in the world it's shipped. The packaging isn't just functional, it's designed for convenience. Cardboard carriers allow people to easily grab multiple bottles for parties, movie nights, or family gatherings. The iconic tin can. Coca-Cola cans are a true engineering marvel. They go through special rotations to dry water droplets and maximize storage space, making the packaging process efficient and clean. The filling nozzles pour soda with perfect precision, giving that satisfying fizz in every can. Many fans prefer cans because they are lighter, more compact, and keep carbonation intact longer. Over the years, the Coca-Cola tin can has become an iconic symbol of refreshment and convenience, often seen in fridges, vending machines, and picnic baskets worldwide. Coca-Cola and history. Coca-Cola isn't just a drink, it has played a part in history. During World War II, the company set up portable bottling plants for soldiers, ensuring that American troops could enjoy fresh Coke anywhere on the front lines. This helped boost morale and spread the brand's popularity globally. Today, Coca-Cola is sold in over 200 countries, and its slogan, "Open Happiness," perfectly captures the joy it brings. Beyond taste, it's a cultural symbol showing how a simple drink can connect people across the world, from bustling cities to small villages. Quality control and safety. Every Coca-Cola bottle goes through a series of quality detectors to ensure perfection. Any defective bottles are immediately removed or corrected, maintaining the brand's world-class reputation for consistency. After inspection, each bottle is stamped with the red and white logo, signaling authenticity and quality. Coca-Cola's quality control is so strict that factories monitor thousands of sensors per hour to maintain the perfect taste, color, and carbonation. Creative pairings and cultural impact. Coca-Cola isn't just a drink, it's an experience. Over the years, people have paired it with some unusual foods like peanuts, pickles, or even spicy snacks, and surprisingly, some combinations work. Beyond taste, Coke has become a global cultural icon, showing up in movies, music, and celebrations around the world. Its packaging, whether sleek cans or cardboard holders, is designed for convenience and style, making it easy to grab a few bottles for parties, picnics, or family dinners. Coca-Cola's brand recognition is so strong that over 94% of the world's population recognizes its logo, showing just how deeply it has influenced daily life. The science of energy drinks. While Coca-Cola dominates the world of fizzy drinks, energy drinks follow a similarly precise process. These beverages are packed with ingredients like caffeine, taurine, and B vitamins, designed to boost energy and focus. Just like Coke, the carbonation is carefully preserved using non-permeable containers like glass bottles or specially coated cans, ensuring the fizz lasts longer. Glass bottles. A special experience. Drinking Coca-Cola from a glass bottle is an experience like no other. Glass is non-permeable, which means it keeps carbonation locked in longer, giving that extra fizz we all love. That satisfying pop when you open a glass bottle is part of the magic. Beyond drinking, glass bottles can be creatively repurposed, turned into vases, candle holders, or even DIY art projects. In fact, many collectors prize vintage Coca-Cola glass bottles as memorabilia. Filling and capping with precision. The filling and capping process in Coca-Cola factories is a feat of engineering. First, bottles are washed thoroughly to ensure cleanliness. Then, precise nozzles pour just the right amount of soda into each bottle. After filling, capping machines seal the tops tightly, preventing leaks and keeping carbonation locked in. Some factories can process up to 60,000 bottles per hour, showing how fast and efficient the process is. From factory to your hands. Finally, the journey of Coca-Cola reaches its most important destination, you. Bottles and cans are carefully packed, shipped, and distributed to retailers globally. Coca-Cola's logistics network is so efficient that the drink can reach even remote locations within days of production. From production to consumption, every step is designed for speed, quality, and care. Whether you enjoy it at home, at a party, or on the go, Coca-Cola is always there to deliver refreshment. If you loved learning about the Coca-Cola factory and want more behind-the-scenes stories from your favorite products, hit that subscribe button and join us for more amazing videos. Cheers to every sip of happiness, and remember, every bottle has a story.